press towards the mark, and I can't do it thinking like the same girl I used to be. Everything's gotta go. Everything's gotta go. Every hater, every doubt, every fear, every insecurity, depression. Loose my mind. Did you know that you...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys are going to be seeing me do a flexi rod set on my natural hair. So first I'm going to start off by making my sections. Okay, now my hair is in 4 sections. I'm going to start by parting the back of my head. Okay, now I'm separated in an even smaller section, and I'm just going to spray my hair with some water, make sure I get it all damp. Then I'm going to be combing through from the end all the way to the root to make sure all of the tangles are out. And then I use a smaller comb to ensure that all of the tangles were gone. And then I'm going to be breaking it into an even smaller section, and let's get started. So first I will lot of body mousse, and I will be spraying a 1/4 size amount and combing it through, raking it through. And look at those ends. So now I'm going to be going in with the Twist Defining Cluster. This is by Shea Moistures, and I will be working it from the end all the way to the roots of my hair. Next, I will be using the flexi rods, and no worries, I'll get better angles, so just keep watching. But all I'm going to do is take this hair and wrap it around the flexi rod, making sure to continuously comb out my hair as I wrap it. And then I'm going to add a little more of that cluster onto the ends of my hair. And you guys, I'm going to do the exact same steps for each part of my hair, so just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so the back of my hair is complete, and this is how it's looking. Okay, so now I'm moving to the front of my head, doing the exact same thing. I'm going to be spraying it with water just to dampen it. Remember, never comb your hair when it's dry. Always wet it first. Okay, now I'm going in with the mousse, and I'm going to be separating this section. Raking it through. Now I'm going to get me the flexi rod. Now watch how I wrap it. I'm just wrapping it around, back and forth, back and forth, making sure to comb out any of the curls or naps or kinks, and just wrapping it around. And I'm applying a little more of that cluster onto the ends, and just going to twist the flexi rod so that it's nice and secure in my head.
Okay, you guys, so this is what we have. I used about 20 rods, and I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry overnight, and I'll be back to show you the finished look.
Okay, you guys, it is the next morning, and I don't know what I was talking about. I think it's another video that I was doing, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this. So this is me unraveling the twist, and all you do is separate in the way that your curl wants to be separated, and this helps to cut down on all of the frizz and whatnot. And you can also take it, twist. All of my hair was not dry. I think I started to use too much mousse at some point, and all of my hair did not get dry. However, I think my curls still came out bomb. And for the frizzy ones, all you have to do is just take them and wrap them around as you see me doing. Let's see, exactly like that. And I still need to get my split ends cut, so hey, don't judge me. I don't know why I always do that face. Okay, you guys, see, I was trying to wear my hair to the side, but I didn't want to fall that way, so after several attempts, I just bam, middle part. So more separation. And now I'm just taking the comb to just comb out those parts. And when you take the comb to comb out your roots, so the parts are not showing, do not take your comb and rake all the way through your curls, because clearly that will uncurl your curls. But you guys, this is definitely the final look, and as always, thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah.